The Philippines is now under a national state of public health emergency. President Duterte signed the proclamation in response to the COVID-19 outbreak. This means all government agencies and local government units must assist, cooperate, and mobilize necessary resources to stop and eliminate the threat. With this order, LGUs now have access to funding for preparatory and preventive efforts and actual response. Procurement process will also be adjusted to cut time in getting necessary equipment and materials. Private, government, and local hospitals must keep the health department updated on their surveillance of influenza-like and severe acute respiratory illnesses.
This will guide the DOH to have a more focused isolation, detection, and then contact tracing.
If the situation worsens, then health department can order a mandatory quarantine. Law enforcers, like the police, may arrest suspected COVID-19 patients who refuse to be isolated or quarantined. That's because the proclamation order gives way to RA 11332, a law outlining the procedure on surveillance and response to notifiable diseases and epidemics or health events of public concern. Those refusing to cooperate may be jailed for 1 to 6 months with penalty ranging from 20 to 50,000 pesos. Businesses or establishments may lose permits. Private professionals and government workers may be suspended or may lose license to work for refusing to cooperate. The government may also enforce a lockdown depending on what will happen in the coming days.
It might be premature to do it at this point. So we will have to wait until evidence of sustained community transmission is presented, and that will trigger the community lockdown or community quarantine.
Authorities are reminding hospital levels 2 and 3 they can't refuse suspected patients. Currently, the health department has 4,500 testing kits. It's waiting for additional 2,000 sets from the World Health Organization.
Prioritizing those who are symptomatic, those with history of travel and exposure, may global shortage. No? Hindi po ito na-anticipate ng mga suppliers, mga manufacturing companies. Hindi naman sa ngayon problema ang pondo, meron po tayong pondo.
And since there have been travel restrictions out of the country, the tourism department will focus on local tourism.
Our accredited tour operators will also be giving up to 70% discounts on domestic tour packages. The DOT will be allocating approximately 6 billion pesos that will span international and domestic promotions, infrastructure, and regional tourism development.
Out of the 6 billion pesos, 85 million pesos will go to COVID-19 orientation training, preparedness, response, and protocols for stakeholders. The outbreak now reaching a local transmission, the World Health Organization says community-based response is important.
Do not go to work, do not go to school, do not go to crowded places if you're having signs of respiratory infections. This may largely not be COVID-19, but it is rational to follow the advice in view of the fact that we are having localized transmission.
The country will remain under a state of public health emergency until lifted by the president. Trisha Terada, CNN Philippines.